FSK demodulation used in phase lock loop PLL. The operation of FM demodulation using PLL. This technique is used for FM signal generation applied to the phase lock loop. And as far the PLL is locked to the FM signal, and the VCO start voltage controlled oscillator start tracking instantaneous frequencies in the input FM signal. Voltage controlled oscillator start and tracking the instantaneous frequencies in the input FM signal. The error voltage produced at the output of the error amplifier the error we have to get the error to get amplify the signal is directly proportional to the frequency deviation and phase lock loop operation is basically operation of the references of the signal and the signal from this voltage controlled oscillator are connected to the two input ports of this phase detector. The output from the phase detector is passed to the loop and filters, and then filter signal is applied to the voltage controlled oscillator. Then we have to PLL block diagram consisting the block diagram of the basic PLL as shown in figure. The basically flip-flop circuits of the phase detector. Another one is a low pass filter LPF, and another one is equal to voltage controlled oscillator VCO. This is actual our block diagram operation of this PLL system. The input voltage given to this phase detector, only phase will be varied to detect the signal, and output of the phase detector is given to the low pass filter. There is some forward path, and after that output of this low pass filter is given to the input of the voltage controlled oscillator. Voltages will be controlled by the circuit using the transistors voltage VCO. Then output of this signal is feedback to the phase detector. Then input frequency is f of I. The output of the feedback signal is added here. We know f1 and f0. The error between these two phase differences we have to get given to the low pass filter, and all the signals whole signals will be detected to control the lock the signal at particular frequency to get the output will be continuously goes to the output of the circuit. And this frequency FF is passed through the phase detector and operation. The phase detector is basically comparator which compares the input frequency with the feedback frequency F0, and the phase detector provides an output error voltage V reference is equal to input frequency plus feedback frequency is added, which is a DC voltage. This DC voltage is then passed on to an low pass filter. This DC voltage is then passed on to the low pass filter. The low pass filter removes the high frequencies noises and produce the steady of DC levels. Vf is equal to feedback voltage is equal to the error input frequency minus feedback frequency of the signal. We have to get the differences of the signal. Vf is also represent the dynamic characteristics of the PLL. Dynamic characteristics of this PLL: phase local loop, phase local PLL of the phase local loop. Phase local loop, PLL of this phase local loop. And then we have to at the DC levels, the DC level is passed, then the DC level is then passed on to the voltage controlled oscillator VCO. Then output of the frequency of the VCO F0 is directly proportional to the input voltage, and according to the output is directly proportional input signal to control the signal voltage levels. Both of the input frequency and output frequency are compared and adjusted to their feedback loops until we have to get the desired frequency is equal to the input frequency. The output frequency must be equal to the input frequency till we have to compare to get the desired output of the signal. This is the purpose of PLL works in this stage: free running and capture and phase log signals. And as the name suggested, the free running stages refers to the stages when there is no input voltage applied. As soon as the input frequency is applied to the VCO starts to change and beginning produce the output frequency. For comparison, the stage called as the capturing stage. The frequency comparison stops as soon as the output frequency is adjusted to become equal to the input frequency. This stage is called as phase lock loop state. And now let us to study the in details about the various parts of PLL: the phase detector, low pass filter, voltage controlled oscillator. And applications of PLL. Applications of PLL is phase modulation FM, phase modulation is FM, and stereo detector and FM demodulation. And also we have to get the FM demodulation. The networks for FM operation, the networks for frequency operation, FM frequency modulation are the frequency synthesis that provide multiple of the reference signal. Frequency synthesizers that provides multiple of the reference signal frequencies used in motor speed controlling of the speed control of motors, tracking the filters. Used in frequency shift keying decodes for demodulation carrier frequencies. Carrier frequency.